question. Have you ever made a souffle? Well, I have never made a souffle either. But I challenge you to make one, and I challenge you to do it on February 28th. Why? Because it's Soufflé Day. And you know what? I'm doing a collab with my friend Anita at Oma Far Away, and we're encouraging you to challenge yourself and try making a souffle on that day.
Good morning. Oma Far Away here. Well, actually it's not more, well, it's still morning. But I'm going to prepare lunch for my husband and myself, and we're treating ourselves today. We're treating ourselves to a cheese souffle. It's Cheese Souffle Day. Now, we could celebrate every day. Today, 28th of February, is Cheese Souffle Day. And I'm just going to set about and make one. Now, cheese souffles are fickle things, and it could be for many reasons. Could be the oven's just not doing its thing properly. It could be that the egg whites weren't quite fluffed up enough, or, well, for whatever reason. Or you might have used just those few drops too much milk. Well, we'll give it a go. And we'll just have to see whether I can make it a success. So I'll walk you through the steps, the ingredients first, and then we'll get cracking. Okay, here we go. Cheese Souffle Day. Very important items are tools of the trade for in the kitchen. We will prepare the ramekins with butter and breadcrumbs, after which we will make a roux sauce in which we will add the cheese and egg yolks. After we've whisked the egg whites, we will fold it into our mixture, and we'll also add some French mustard and pepper. So as you can see, no real difficult ingredients. I think it's all to do with how you whip, how you stir, how you fold, and the luck of the draw. So I'm going to give this a good go, and my husband and I are looking forward to a yummy lunch. I start by preparing the ramekins. I'm going to brush the butter on the sides and the base and the edges, and then I'm going to cover it with the breadcrumbs. Now I do this so that the souffle has a good chance of coming up the sides without sticking. Right, those are finished, so I'll put them to one side and I'll move over to the stove and start making my sauce. Put the butter in the saucepan and just let it melt. Once melted, add the flour and give it a good stir. When the flour has cooked for a minute or so, add part of the milk and stir. Remove all the lumps, nice and smooth, and add the rest of the milk. Cook for a short while until you have a nice thick consistency. As you can see, the sauce is a lovely thick creamy consistency. So once you're satisfied with that, you can turn off the heat and move on to the next step. It's time to add the cheese. Stir until it is, well, not all melted, but well mixed in. This will also reduce the temperature of the sauce, which is very good because we need to reduce the temperature before we add the egg yolks. Now, depending on your flavour, you can either add some black pepper or maybe some paprika. Now, I'm more a paprika person and my husband's more a pepper person, so I always get to choose. But because he's not feeling brilliant at the moment, I will just add some pepper. Also time to add some mustard. Now, you can use any type of mustard you like, but I like the French mustard. So my husband gets the pepper and I get the mustard. I will now add the egg yolks. Stir well and combine the ingredients. Next, we are going to whisk the egg whites. Nice and thick and airy. Once ready, we add part of the egg white and stir it in lightly. Now, a souffle is all about light and airy. So don't beat too hard because you'll rid yourself of all the nice, airy, fluffy, light air bubbles. Now add the rest. Fold in gently. See it all coming together. The ramekins will go in the oven at 200 for 10 minutes. You'll just have to do with me for the tasting for now. Hubby's not feeling that well. He does want his cheese souffle, but he says he's not very photogenic today. He's been a bit under the weather, but he's coming right. So as soon as I come out the oven, I'll dig my spoon in and have a taste. Oh, look at that, scrumptious, scrumptious. Now you've got to be quick when you get them out the oven, because look, this one is sinking already. See all the air bubbles popping, and this one as well. But believe me, this is just a lovely success story. Now it's time to taste, but it'll be hot. Well, here I go. I hope you're jealous. Oh, light as air, coming away from the sides like it should. Oh, this is a fantastic recipe, and I'll tell you where I found it. I've been making it for a number of years now, on and off, like I don't make it every week. It's the One Pot Chef.
Beautiful golden puffed cheese souffle. It sounds complicated, but it's surprisingly easy to do. And with the step-by-step instructions, you won't fail. Let's make some cheese soufflés on the One Pot Chef.
It's an Australian chef. He makes literally one-pot meals and recipes, and the first time I tried it, it was a success, and I have not yet had a failure. Now, I've only made a half of the recipe that he has, so I'll put the link in the description below. I've also altered this when I had friends visit and he can't eat cheese of any description, so I made asparagus soufflés, and they were perfect. And I served some asparagus on the side, so cheese souffle day. You've got to love it. You've got to love it. I know I am. Oh, have some. Thank you, Jim, from Jim's Kitchen. This was a really good collab. Yum. Let me go finish this now. It's really lovely. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you like to come back and visit some more of my videos on my channel. So, with my tummy full, my husband happy, and my video done for Soufflé Day, all in all, I'm happy. Bye for now. Be good, be kind, and be loving.